Today's letter is H, and the H looks a lot like our print H, except we're going to have our little tall loop up here where it's connecting from other letters. So you'll actually kind of start just below the midline and go up, down, and make your H. So you'll start about here each time. Okay? So this is where you're connecting from other letters, and this is where you're connecting to the next letter when we start writing the word. So about midway, up, down, and around. There you go. Up, down, and around. And so you guys will do your individual letters. Down here you have your words. Have, H-A-V-E. So most words we're getting to now, we've used or learned all the letters. So our cursive words should be looking a lot better. H, A, V from yesterday, E, H, A, and some people don't do this little loop right here on the V and just go back down. Either way is fine as long as we can see all four letters. Your next word is hold, H-O-L-D, so H-O-L-D. And again, you guys should be tracing it first. I'm just showing you off to the side, H-E-A-D, so you can see it a little better. H-E-A-D. Head. Home, H-O-M-E. Notice there are those 3 humps on the M. Don't forget about your N and your M. They're a little different. 1, 2, 3. Home. H-O. 1, 2, 3 on the M. E. And then healthy. H-E-A. A tall L. A tall T that we'll have to go back to. Another H. And a Y. And you'll have to go back and cross your T. Alright, your next letter today is going to be K. It starts with that same loop as the ones that we just did on the letter H. So you'll notice the loop here is the same. It's a tall loop up and then around. Tall loop up, around here and out. Tall loop up, a loop here, and then down and out. Tall loop up, a loop here, down and out. So K, tall loop up, a loop here, and out. So you're tracing back up this line to do the top, and then down. So when we get to kite, it's K-I-T-E. Dot your I, cross your T. So here we go. K, loop, tall loop, loop here, loop out. I-T-E. Then the word knit with the silent K on the front. K, big loop, little loop, into your next letter. Notice the N has those 2 bumps on top. Tall loop, trace back up to get your little loop, down to the I-T. Oh, I wrote kite, sorry. Knit. N-I-T. Alright, next one is kneel, K-N-E-E-L. K into the N, E-E-L. K, big loop, little loop, and a swoop down. Oops, N-E-E-L. Let me fix that for you. Tall loop, little loop, N-E-E-L. Alright, kind, K-I-N-D. Tall loop, little loop, down and connect. Kind, dot your I. And then knocking, like someone is knocking at the door. Tall loop, little loop, N-O-C-K-I-N-G. 2 K's to try in that one. Alright, take your time, stretch out those letters, and do your best.